Hello Jimmy, what are you working on?
Hello, I am working in the design and implementation of sustainable IoT devices. Let me explain you a bit more. First of all, let's talk about the use case. The use case is environment sensing. In this use case, we are collecting some information like temperature, humidity, gas, pressure to improve the air quality into an infrastructure. And this is important because of the health of the personnel and the different activities that are being developed in this infrastructure. For that reason, Internet of Things has massive IoT deployments with different sensors to collect information and improve the health of this infrastructure and the indoor air quality. But let's take into account what happened with this implementation. It's important to know that if you deploy, for example, 100 devices or even 1,000 devices, these devices also represent the use of batteries in the devices, the use of different electronic components in the devices, and also the use of power for the devices. This is directly related with an impact in the environment. So in order to reduce the impact on the environment for these IoT devices, we can see, for example, this implementation we are working on. In this implementation, we are trying to provide sustainable IoT device with two different approaches. First of all, we are choosing the best materials in the market that follows a sustainable approach, like printed electronics or organic photovoltaic cells, in order to reduce the use of silicon as much as possible. And second, we are trying an approach that is not using batteries in the device. So we are trying to provide energy from the different sources in the environment. This is, for example, indoor light energy. Here you can see that we have a solar panel, and we are harvesting energy from the environment to provide energy, enough energy to send information to a gateway. So what's happening here, we are using, for example, one of the most important technologies for the Internet of Things, that it's Bluetooth. With Bluetooth Low Energy, we can, first of all, sense the information we want, like temperature, volatile organic compounds, humidity, pressure, collect all the information, and with the energy we can harvest from the environment, in this case from light, we can send the information to a gateway using Bluetooth Low Energy. Sending information, in this case, every 20 seconds to provide enough information to the gateway that can help also to the server to take decisions about the indoor quality of an infrastructure. So this is the device we are developing now, and this is the technology I am working in my research. But what is the future work? What is our goal in the future with this technology? In the future, we want to implement a lot of these devices in an infrastructure, a lot of battery-less powered devices, in order to collect information and also act as edge intelligent devices, take decisions by themselves, and also provide all this information to the gateways to help the server to take decisions. So we are helping in this decision making for indoor air quality, for example. But the most important thing is that we are following a sustainable approach. We are contributing to the environment, and also we are developing and deploying new technologies.